Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 3-day sale coming up at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just quick friendly reminder that I have brought back the Sunday new coupons video. That is a video that I upload every Sunday morning. We go over all the new coupons. I show you guys what I'm clipping to my account, what I'm not clipping to my account, of course the best deals and glitches, and some coupons that you may want to be aware of. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And if you want me to continue with the Sunday morning videos, make sure that you give that video a big thumbs up and a smile in the comment section. All right, now let's go ahead and switch gears and talk about the 3-day sale. So this will begin starting tomorrow on Thursday, November the 9th, and it is going to run through Saturday, November the 11th. So don't forget, we will have our 5 off $25 coupon that we can use and stack with these deals. All right, so first up, we have a stock up deal on Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, Sunkist, RC Cola, 7-Up, and A&W 6-packs. These are going to be on sale, 3 for $8, and we have a 1-off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave us paying $7 for 3 6-packs. Next up, we have a couple more coupon matchups here. So we have the Arm & Hammer 50-ounce liquid laundry detergent. These are going to be on sale for $5, and we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3.50. And then we also have the 8-count mega rolls of the Quilted Northern. Those are going to be on sale for $8.50, and with the 1 off 1 digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying $7.50. All right, next up, we have the Lipton and the Pure Leaf teas. We should be receiving a new 3 off 2 digital coupon, because the one that we currently have does expire today. So hopefully they'll be giving us another one starting tomorrow on Thursday. These start out at $2.25. So with that 3 off 2 digital coupon, that is going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2. Just make sure that you scan, and make sure that coupon does attach. All right, next up, we have another coupon matchup on the Clover Valley evaporated milk. These are normally $1.25 each, but we do have a digital coupon, and that is going to leave you paying $2 for 2. Next up, we have another stock up deal. We have the Clover Valley granola bars. These are normally $2.75 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $4, making those just $2 each. Next up, we have another little stock up deal here on the Clover Valley canned pumpkin. These are normally priced at $1.50 each, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $2. And here we have another stock up deal. We have the Clover Valley 32-ounce broth. These are normally priced at $1.95, but they're going to be on sale 2 for $3. Next up, we also have a pretty good sale on the Skippy peanut butter. These are normally $4.75, but they're going to be on sale for $2.95. Next up, we have the Canada Dry and RC Cola 2 liters. These are going to be on sale 2 for $2.50, making those just $1.25 each. Then we also have a sale on the Mr. Clean wide angle broom and the twist mops. These are normally priced at $12, but they're going to be on sale for $9. All right, next up, here's going to be one of the hot ticket items of this sale. We have the Christmas outdoor decor items. These are priced anywhere from $1 all the way up to $30 each, and they're going to be 50% off. And of course, DG has to throw in some of these gift ideas. So here we have the ProScan dual LED speaker, normally priced at $20. These are going to be 25% off, so that's going to leave you paying $15. Next, we have the LED wall signs. These are normally priced at $10. They're going to be 25% off, so that's going to leave you paying $7.50. And we also have the Sentry and SM Tech earbuds. These are priced anywhere from $10 to $12.50, and these are going to be 25% off as well. Next up, we have Legos. These are priced anywhere from $5 all the way up to $20.75, and these are going to be 20% off during this 3-day sale. All right, next up, we have a deal on assorted dolls, normally priced at $1 to $30 each. You want to be on the lookout for the blue star on the price tag. These are going to be buy one, get one half off. And don't forget, we still have that little kind of instant savings deal for when you spend $75 on toys, you are going to get an additional 25% off at the register. And just so that you guys know and can kind of keep a mental note about the spend 75 toy deal, I have not seen an official end date. And we've had this deal for the last couple of months. So I have a feeling that DG is going to keep this deal around at least through the holiday season. So you guys keep that in the back of your mind. Make a mental note, because with all of the 3-day and 4-day sales popping up, we should have some really good buy one get one free, buy one get one 75% off sales coming up on toys. Now here's another great deal. I love this deal. It's a great stocking stuffer. Buy one get one free on Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. So you're gonna pay $1.25 for 2. All right, next up we have another deal on totes. Now this one is definitely not as good as the one that we had last weekend, so hopefully you guys got in on those $5 totes. I know I did. But for this weekend, we have an instant savings on these Sterilite latching totes. These are the colored ones. They're normally priced at $12. You're going to instantly save $2 at the register, so that's going to leave you paying $10. So that wraps up our 3-day sale. But hold on, before you all go, I have a few more deals that I wanted to share with you all. This week at Dollar General, we have Kellogg's and General Mills cereals. These are both on sale. 2 for $5. Why am I pointing this out to you all? Because I want you guys to be on the lookout for Peelies, because right now I'm finding Peelies everywhere at Walmart, at DG, 1 off 1 on Kellogg's, 1 off 1 on General Mills, and these Peelies don't expire for a while. But if you find them this week, go ahead and pick up 2 boxes of cereal, use the 1 off 1 Peelies, and that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2 boxes, making those just $1.50 each, which is a definite stock up price. Now, here's another one of my favorite deals at DG. We have the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, Nutri-Grain bars, the Special K pastries, and the Rice Krispie treats. These are on sale this week, 3 for $7. Again, another great stock up price. All right, next up, we all know that it is officially cold and flu season. Well, DG has us covered this week. We have the DG Health cold and flu medicines. These start out at $4.95, and they're giving us a $2 instant savings. So that's going to make your final price $2.95. And in keeping with that theme, we also have the Rexall vitamin B, C, D, and E 30 to 200 count. These start out at $2.25, and we have a $1 instant savings. So that's going to make your final price $1.25 for some vitamins. All right, guys, and before you all go, I want to leave you all with a quick crazy couponing tip. As we are moving into the holiday season, you guys are going to see sale, 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 deal, 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 buy, buy, buy from these retailers. It's going to be everywhere you look. So please be aware of their tricks, because they can definitely be shady. Just like DG this week, here they're showing us this super cute puppy with the canine carryout treats. They're on sale 4 for $5, but if we take a look at the regular retail price at $1.35, that sale doesn't really look too appealing anymore, because we're only saving 10 cents per bag. And we get coupons for these items on a regular basis. So we can just wait for that coupon to roll around, and we can definitely get a better deal. And here we have a classic example, something that I see all the time. We have the Poise liners, normally priced at $6.50. Right below it, DG saying, hey, we've got a little offer for you this week, 2 for $13. No thank you, because $6.50 plus $6.50 does equal $13, DG. We're not that dumb. So just be aware that a lot of retailers will slap a sale sticker on it, even though you're still paying regular price. So beware, be careful out there. And if you have any other tips that you want to share, please leave them for us down in the comment section below, because I would love to hear from you all. Now, that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around, because I have a lot of videos coming up. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.